Today we're going to go over solving one-step equation word problems. We're always going to follow these 4 steps to help us solve a word problem. One is we write the let statement. We must define what we're looking for, what our variable represents. We then write the equation, we solve it, and we answer the question. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, last week Howard had $26. He washed windows over the weekend and now has $52. How much money did he make washing windows? We have to figure out what the question is asking for. The question is asking for how much money he made. So we're going to let M represent money. We always define our variable first. And I have these already done so that way it's easier and quicker. The second thing we're going to do is write the equation. So I know he had $52. That's my equal. I know he started with $26. That's my constant, plus 26. He then made some more money that we don't know about, which is that M. So let's look at our equation. M plus 26 is equal to 52. Now, when we solve the equation, we're going to minus 26 from both sides, and we're going to know that M is equal to 26. Remember, on the right side of the equation, we're always adding. 52 plus negative 26 is 26. So he made $26 washing windows, and we answered that question. Let's look at the next example. How many rounds of golf can you play with $400 if one round costs $80? Okay, so we're looking for rounds of golf. So I'm going to let G represent golf. Now, this is a little different. I know I have 400, so I know that's my equal. And I know that one round is 80. So if one round is 80, 2 rounds would be 80 and 80 is 160, 3 rounds. So I know I'm multiplying on this problem. So when I write my problem, it would be 80G equals 400. I know that when I have a number and a variable together, that means multiply. The opposite of is dividing. So then my answer is G is 5. So when I answer the question, you can play 5 rounds of golf with $400. Last example. John was given $14 in order to buy a gift. This covered half of the gift. How much did the gift cost? So we're looking for the cost of the gift. That's our let statement. Let C represent cost. Now that we know that, we have to figure out how to write this equation. It's a little different than what we've done before. So I know that he was given $14. That's my equal. My equal is 14. Now, I know that it's half of the cost. So we don't know what that cost is, but I know that 14 is half of it. So we write it like this. 1/2 of the cost is 14. Remember, when I have a fraction, in order to get the C by itself, I have to multiply by the inverse operation, which is 2 over 1. So I multiply both sides by 2 over 1. These cancel out. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 over 2 is just 1, which just gives me C. And I know that 14 times 2 is 28. So I know that he has to pay $28 for the total cost of the gift. I hope this helped you.